What do you think of that, Jack? That's scary. Go see it, Gimli.
It's getting it. I love it. See, now it's gonna go against the...
There's big chicken over there.
Huh?
Mom, what is that?
It's gonna go against all the edges now.
Oh, there's a bag I left out. Jackson's not too scared of it.
Where is it? I think it's some batteries so that it won't go in there.
Like watching a baby's first steps. Gimli, what do you think of this?
Open the rush.
What do you think, Gimli? What do you think, Jack? Not a big fan, Dad. Look at that. What a wonder. Gimli, it's okay. It's not. It's not okay.
I don't want to go in there. Crap.
Oh no, it's got mind of its own. It's going where it should not go.